Nuts, welcome back to my channel in a brand new space. This is one of the very special secrets slash surprises that I've been holding out on you guys. Matt and I moved. This is crazy. If you guys follow me on Instagram, and if you don't, you totally should, at Your Health Nut, you guys would already know that we have recently moved into a house. Guys, this place is huge. It feels so weird to be in a real house. We have bricks, we have a backyard, we have a front door. I can like see the street from my kitchen. This is really cool to be in a bigger space. We were quickly outgrowing it. The Health Nut shop was taking over. If you guys don't know, we have an online wellness shop and we are just expanding there, and we needed a place to house all of the inventory, as well as just like the business itself, filming, recipe testing, living, having people over. We were quickly outgrowing our old place, and we're just really excited. We're gonna be doing a full empty house tour, a full non-empty house tour, and more information coming soon. So make sure you guys are subscribed to this channel. Hit that subscribe button down below. I post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday here on this channel. So without further ado, let's get into today's video. Now, today we're talking about healthy snacks. I am a huge snacker. I love me snacks, salty, sweet, crunchy, smooth. I don't care, I love snacks. Today we have 6 3-ingredient snacks. I had to make sure I was holding it 3 fingers. They are super easy because when you have a craving for a snack, you don't have a lot of time. You don't want to fuss around and have like a billion ingredients. So I'm making it super simple. 3 ingredients. A lot of them take like no time at all to whip up. I think the longest one is the kale chips, but the prep time is so easy. So I'm really excited. All of the recipes will be linked on the blog. A link will be down below, and let's hop right in because they're so good. I got something for all of you guys. Salty, sweet, I gotcha. Snack number 1 are my open face rice cakes. I love to just have these as a quick snack, and when I'm not feeling like something sweet, these are a great go-to. So I just have my brown rice crackers, or rice cakes I mean. I'm gonna slather on some roasted red pepper hummus. This has been such a delicious hummus lately. And then I usually have some kind of avocado hanging around in my kitchen. Season with some sea salt and black pepper. By the way, we're not counting salt and pepper as ingredients in this video, but there you have it. It's super quick and easy. You could add some cherry tomatoes to this if you wanted, nutritional yeast, but these 3 ingredients together are delicious. Snack number 2, we have another savory snack option. We are making kale chips. They are so easy to make and way cheaper than buying them at the store. Like at the store, it's so expensive for the tiniest bag of kale chips when you can just make them at home. So I've just de-stemmed the kale and roughly kind of torn them, and then I'm gonna rinse and dry them well with a clean dish towel. Next, on a large baking sheet lined with parchment paper, or this is our silicone mats from the shop, you're gonna lay out the roughly torn kale and then just drizzle with a little bit of olive oil. You could also use coconut oil for this, and I'm gonna give it a little massage with my hands just to kind of break down the kale just a little bit, but also make sure that it's well coated in the oil. For seasoning, I have some nutritional yeast, which is gonna give a really lovely cheesy flavor, so don't be shy with this one. And of course, some sea salt and black pepper. Pop this into the oven to bake. The full instructions will be on my blog. A link will be down below. Once it's done baking, it's gonna get super crispy, and it's just perfect to snack on right away. And if you're like me, these aren't gonna last very long. Okay, so now for something sweet, we have my peanut butter stuffed dates. This has been a really delicious treat I've been eating lately. So all you do is you're gonna take a nice gooey medjool date. This is the type of date that you want for this because they're kind of larger so you can stuff them, but they're also really gooey and delicious. So I'm taking out the pit and I'm just opening it up. I'm adding in some creamy peanut butter. I love one that already has a little bit of sea salt in it. And then just for nature's sprinkles, I'm adding in some chia seeds, which add a nice little crunch, but they're also full of fiber and just a healthy topping. Next up, we have banana sushi. Matt saw this one and thought it was such a cool idea. I did not make it up, but it's definitely a fun snack to have and is really quick to put together. So you're gonna peel your banana, and then I'm gonna show 3 different options here that are all 3 ingredients. So the first one, I have that same creamy peanut butter with a little bit of sea salt, and then add some jam. I'm using blueberry jam, and it's sort of like a take on a PB&J sandwich, but on a sushi banana. Option number 2, we're gonna spread on some tahini and sprinkle with chopped pistachios. And then for the third one, I have some almond butter, and I'm just gonna sprinkle on some mini dairy-free chocolate chips because that's what I had on hand, but you could use regular. Then all you have to do is slice it into like 1-inch pieces. I like to use our ceramic knives from the shop because they're great for cutting fruit and veggies. And they also help your veggies not get brown as quickly. And you are ready to serve. You can eat these with chopsticks. They're really fun, and I know you guys are gonna love them. All right, back to salty. We have air popped popcorn. This is one of Matt's favorite snacks. He's always asking for this. Now, if you don't have an air popper, honestly, I think you should get one. They're really cheap. I will link my favorite down below and in the blog post. And they're just like really easy to store as well. So you're just gonna throw in your organic popcorn kernels, make sure they are organic because a lot of corn is genetically modified. As it's popping, I'm gonna spray on some coconut oil spray and then some nutritional yeast so it sticks. And I just like to layer this as it's popping and then season it with some sea salt and black pepper, and you're ready to Netflix and chill. Next up, we have my brownie bites. So for this, in a food processor, you're gonna add in some raw walnuts. You're just gonna process them a little bit before adding in some juicy, gooey medjool dates. Make sure they are pitted. I also roughly chop them. Sprinkle in some cocoa or cacao powder and a pinch of sea salt, and then process it again until it all kind of crumbles up. And when you pinch it together, it sticks together like this. Divide the batter using a small ice cream scoop and roll into little bite-sized balls with your hands, and you have delicious brownie bites. You can just pop them on a tray, pop them in the fridge or freezer for a little bit to harden, but you can really eat them right away. They are soft and chewy and sweet and salty and chocolatey, all the things. They're delicious. There you have it, 6 3-ingredient snacks I know you guys are gonna love. These are some of my go-tos I always make like every single week, and I would love to know what are some of your favorite snacks. Leave me a comment down below. It can be a 3-ingredient one, it can be whatever snack you love. I would love to know, and maybe I'll try it out myself. Maybe I can do a video on trying out your snacks. That'd be really fun. So leave them down below. Also be sure to subscribe to this channel. Hit that red subscribe button down below. As I mentioned, I post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and I do like recipes, lifestyle, weekly vlogs, and you guys can check them out if you are subscribed. You won't miss them. Click that little notification bell too, so you'll get notified when they go live. You can be the first one to chat with me. I'm always like live on the comments within the first like hour of a video going up. And that's gonna be it, guys. I'm gonna eat my popcorn. It's so tasty. Matt like always is asking for this after dinner. He's like, can you make your popcorn? And the deal is he has to get the popcorn machine out of the cabinet because it's like above the fridge and I'm too short. So it's so good, so simple, cheaper than buying it at the store, and it's healthy. There's no oil, it's just air pop. So good. I'm gonna finish this for like lunch. All right, guys, I'm gonna hang out in my new kitchen. Honestly, I love it. Like, look at this space. Matt and I can be in the kitchen at the same time and not bump into each other. It's amazing. It's crazy what a new space will do. We're definitely gonna do like a kitchen tour, what's in my fridge video, all those things. We have some kind of renos we wanna do to this kitchen, although it is beautiful. We wanna do just a couple of our own updates, but yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you so much. I'm gonna go finish this popcorn, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.